Hello, DTube. I am Pedro, or PRC in Cyberland, and this is another of my vlogs about about my work in general and about my leader candidacy in DTube. So, and DSound and so on. So this is just in this episode. I would like to just talk a little bit about my work, as I usually do. So I'm here at my country house. You can see that it's you see, it's all green around here, and I've been working in a few things. I finished during this couple of weeks. I think I finished the majority of the functions needed for the DTube alerts. So right now we can have alerts when something is wrong with some node. If you are not in the if you are a leader candidate and if you are not in the Telegram group, please check it out. It's DTube alerts, and you can get notified if you start producing or you start failing blocks or missing blocks in this case. So this it's working. It's checking also API nodes if they are available or not every minute. So I might change it a little bit so that we don't get like 1 minute drops. I left it that way because I think it helps a bit to understand the safety of networks and so on, even my own network. But yeah, that's a little bit annoying from time to time. So I might make a threshold of 3 or 4 attempts, or even 5, before raising an alert. So that was one thing. It's done, and right now I am working on some new thing. It's a project that I started for DSound a long time ago, like 2 years ago or something like that, 1 year and something, because I've been searching for solutions to mass adoption. That has been my my goal of the past years, to solve this problem, solve the problem of having difficulty in getting people to adopt blockchain apps. I had that problem in DSound. A lot of people that I personally know, musicians, sound creators in general, DJs and so on, had a real hard time getting to understand the technology around blockchain apps. It's difficult. It's difficult even for me, which I'm a developer, right? So it's a lot of it's really difficult to get them to understand what's a key, to understand what's needed to have safety in their actions and so on. So I really think that some tool is needed. And I spoke with the guys from many wallets, and nobody took my ideas. So I decided to build one, and basically it's that. So I built an idea of connecting a wallet to an app around the technologies that DSound uses, which is IPFS or libp2p and so on. And yeah, it's like a proof of concept. And right now, I am getting that to integrate with other blockchains and with other protocols as well. So, like connection protocols, like Wallet Connect, which didn't exist at that time, and right now it's available. It's more or less a standard. So, yeah, that's what I've been working on lately. I've been a little bit more quiet because, yeah, there's a lot of work to do. And I want to have that wallet ready as soon as I can. It's the first time, the first piece, really important piece of the new DSound platform. And it will be integrated firstly with DTube. So DTube needs a wallet because of their new blockchain, and I talked with I'm in Danger about this, and he thinks it's a nice idea. So this wallet will be integrating Ethereum, Steam, Hive, Avalon, and will allow people to just post on every blockchain from DTube whenever it's integrated. So this is my work. It will be a long work for sure, because the only things that the only blockchains that were supported for that proof of concept that I did were Steam and Hive and EOS. So I also, related to DSound, I was doing a lot of research and helping out a lot of projects in the EOS blockchain in the last year or so. And I was checking to see if EOS was a good idea for DSound to build upon. And it's a bit sad, but I decided not to go the EOS way. I always think of when deciding something for DSound project, I take into consideration always what's best for my community, my users. And EOS is not the best platform for my users. And here's why. I think that EOS is a great technology. I think that there is a lot of potential there, but it lacks some things that I really find important, which are network effect. I think the network of EOS is not growing, is shrinking, and the most important thing is that excitement around the blockchain, that vibe, the initial vibe, is dying down. And everyone building on EOS is, instead of compounding and creating value together, it's exactly the other way around. It's competition everywhere. People just want to be better than the other, to, I don't know. And what I see, and this is really hard for me because I've been a defender of graphene blockchains for ages. And technology-wise, I still do. I still believe in the technology. But network-wise, community-wise, I have to admit that Ethereum has it all. So, Ethereum community builds stuff on each other's stuff, creates value together, grows because of this. There's a lot of developers, a lot of people involved. There is a lot of money involved as well. And to create value for my users, I think DSound needs to be on Ethereum. So that's why I was a very big supporter of the idea that I'm in Danger had for DTube, to get DTube token wrapped up in an Ethereum ERC20 token, so that it can be exchanged on the Ethereum network. And and I also really like Avalon blockchain, which was built by I'm in Danger, and I will be supporting really soon, because it's easy, it's really simple, it's a very tailorable blockchain made in JavaScript. It's really tiny, it's really simple. So I really think that that code base has a lot of potential, and I want to help out on that. And that's also something that I will be trying to contribute. And I really think that this synergy is working really well. So you have a single project blockchain with tokens that do stuff, right? And that single project blockchain, in this case Avalon for DTube, or another blockchain for DSound, then that blockchain is interchangeable. Those tokens are interchangeable to Ethereum, and on Ethereum can be traded on Uniswap, or they can have a life of their own outside of that single project blockchain. So I really think this is a very nice thing, and it's working really well on DTube, and I think it's the way to go for DSound as well. So another thing that I have to share with you is my beard. It's different. So, but that's not a very important thing. So, guys, this is my vlog for this couple of weeks. I have been busy trying to integrate things on my wallet and so on. I will be announcing more stuff really soon. But yeah, that's a lot of work. I'm really enthusiastic about that. I think building the first social wallet is something interesting. And so that's my news. Stay tuned for more. I will be posting regularly. It's not daily, not weekly. Whenever I feel like, it's more like that. But I will be posting the more frequent updates I can. And yeah, let's build this new era of blockchain to take advantage of this bull run that is coming, and make it easier for our users to get to use blockchain dApps, even if they don't know what a key is. That's the main objective. Okay? Cheers, guys. Keep rocking. See you soon.